Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can create a website, something like this, really easily in no time with no-code tools like WebFlow and Midjourney. Actually, I used Midjourney to create the whole design, and then I used WebFlow to actually turn it into a real website. And look at this. This is responsive actually. You have mobile view and also desktop view, and it looks really awesome. So keep watching this video. The very first thing we want to do is actually generating the design, and I want to use Midjourney, which is really popular these days, to actually generate images based on the descriptions you give it. So let's first go to midjourney.com here and then join the beta program. Goes to Discord. You just need to log in with your Google account. That's it. And now go to one of these rooms here. So as you can see, there is a lot of images generated by other people here, and you can learn by watching the prompts actually. So I want to do the same here. Basically, I want to say imagine, and I want to use this prompt: website theme, design about digital products, UI UX, 3D slide template, frontend. You need to work with different descriptions to come up with what you exactly want. Let me hit enter, and probably I wanted to say I want to have a 3:2 resolution, and oh, that's it. Let's wait a couple of minutes to see the result. Look at these designs. They're already awesome, amazing. Look at this one, or look at this one. All of them are really good. Now, what you need to do is that try to come up with other designs until reach a point that you're satisfied with the result. And when you find what you want, you just need to click upscale. So I want to, for instance, this one. And then you just need to download the upscaled version. But as I've already found what I want to actually create, I don't need to continue here. I just need to work with the design I've already generated. So this is a design actually Midjourney generated for me, and I want to go with this. So based on the image, we need to decide what sections we're going to have. So probably the very first section is the navigation here, and the second section is this part. And I also want to add another section below this hero actually section here. So I want to extract this part of the design, which includes actually all the digital products, and then reuse it in my design. So let's do it in software like Photoshop or Photopea, which is free actually. Go to Photopea, place your image here. With the selection tool, you can select the part 1. Okay, just copy. Now, here we can actually get rid of the extra background with magic tools or other selection tools. Okay. Okay, it's fine. And you need to spend some time to do it very carefully. To get rid of the background completely. So now I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because I've already extracted the part I want, go to the style, and here use drop shadow, and you can set the angle and like this. You need to just make sure that you got rid of all the extra part here. I'm not gonna do that. Then you need to save it with PNG format, and this is eventually what we will have. Okay, now let's start working on the website action. Sign up to webflow.com and then come to dashboard page here. Here you need to click on new site, choose a blank template, choose a name for your site. So here I want to say Tech DG or DG Tech actually. Now, as I told you, I want to have 3 sections here. So let's add the sections first. Add a container, a div block, and then inside a div block, let's add 3 sections. First section, second section, and the third section. And in the very first section, it's a nav bar, and I want to have left and right part. So let's add 2 div block here. Another one. And inside the first div block, I want to have my logo and website title. So let's add a text link here. Actually, not a text link. Let's get rid of it. A link block. And inside the link block, I want to have my logo and title. So let's add an image and also a heading. For the link block, I want to change the display to be flex and arrange it at the middle, align it at the middle. Okay, I think looks good. Also for the navbar block, I want to have same thing, display flux, align at the middle, the center. Now let's add some links to the right part actually. Choose this text link. Another text link. And okay, I think that's enough. Now select the navbar section here. We already selected flex. Now let's justify it in between. So like this, we have the links at the right and the logo and the title at the left side. Also for the second section here, at the right side, I want to have my image actually, and at the left side, I want to have a description, like the design. Here we have, look at this. Here we have this image, 3D image, and here a little bit description. Div block. Or div block. Change it to flex. Justify it in between. Okay, it's good to go. Now let's add an image block here. Let's choose our image. You just need to drag and drop the image you've already saved. So this is what we have. Here in this div block, I want to have first a heading and paragraph. Okay. And for the third section, I just want to have a column block here, and in each column, I want to have a paragraph. So, okay, this is our structure, but it doesn't look good. We need to do some CSS styling here. So let's start. So here, the very first thing I want to do, I want to add the logo. So I've already created a logo, but you can use any other logo that you want. But I want a logo, something like what we have actually in this design here. Something like this. Select link block here, link block, get rid of the decoration. And for the heading, let's change the color. So I want to go with this color. And also for the text links here, let's select the related block and then put it in flakes. And then add some gap. I want to have 7 VW gap. Actually, this gap is based on the width of the screen. So it's going to be responsive. If you decrease or increase the width or size of the screen, it's going to be different. Now let me select text here, text link, all links, get rid of the underline here. Okay, and then for the color, I want to go with this color. Looks good. Now for the navbar section, let's add some padding and margin. Yeah, better. Make the logo smaller. Okay. Now let's add some background color. So select the body, and for the body, I want to have a gradient background. Change the angle. It's good, I think. Now select the div block here. And here also change the background color. Gradient. And let's select the color from the design. So here, this is the color I want to have. Just set the angle. Copy. For okay, looks good, I think. Let's add some padding and margin to the D block here. To make it work on both sides, you need to hold Alt on your keyboard and then change the margin. Okay, and let's make the corners round. Here, the radius section. Okay. For the first section, let's add some padding together. Okay. Now it looks good, I think. For the last link here, I want to have a background color. So I want to choose the main color of the image or the button. Grab this. Background, add some padding. Make it round. Add some shadow. Yeah. So select the image container or block here and change the width to something like 330%. Okay. And for the description here, select the block. Let's decrease the right margin because I want to combine these two parts. Some margin here as well. Okay, let's change the title. Start healing future. And also I want to add a button here. So select the V block, copy the button we already created and paste it here. Just change the text. Start. Now. Also change the button here and pricing. Contact. Something's wrong with this menu here. Yeah, we need to actually align it at the center. Okay, now it already looks good. And for the third section here, for this third section here, I want to add a white background. Here in background, choose gray. Yeah, that's fine. Looks good. Let's add some negative margin because I want to pull it up. Like this. I want to make it to be based on the width. So, yeah, 7. Okay, something like this. Now select the image here and choose relative as the position, and then add some Z index 3 maybe, so you can see that it covered the text. Okay, it pretty much looks what I wanted in the first place. We need to work more on this to make it better. Now the only thing is left is checking responsiveness in other mobile devices because it's really important. So let's take a look how it looks in tablet mode. Well, it's a little bit messy, but that's fine because with WebFlow we actually can modify this design in other view modes. Let's select the view block here and decrease the margin, and also I need to change the flex alignment. So here select the section 2, and here instead of horizontal use vertical direction. So you can see. Now select the text block here. Work with the numbers a little bit to achieve the right amount. Okay, good. Select the image and change the width to be 100% in this view mode. And finally, that's it. You need to work on other actually sizes and devices to make sure that it looks good in every device. But actually, that was the whole point. I just want to show you how you can actually come up with a design with Midjourney and then turn it into a real website. And this is finally what we're gonna have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new and hit the like button. Thank you. Have a good time.